readers, let's do some math. On to day 47, we're starting with a little bit of addition and some subtraction. So let's go subtraction first here. 9, take away 6, it's going to leave me with 3. No regrouping yet. Oh, now we knew. 1, take away 4, no can do. Next door neighbor's a 0, can't borrow from him. All the way to the 2, he becomes a 1. 0 becomes a 10. 10 goes to a 9. This one now is an 11. All right. 11, take away 4. A little straighter here. Is 7. 9, take away 3. 6. And finally, 1 take away 1 is nothing, right? So 673 off to adding. I always look for chunks of 10 when I'm adding more numbers, and I see the 3 and the 7 make 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18. Nothing big enough to make 10 there, right? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 88. Write all the odd numbers between, so not including 20 and 30. So if the odd numbers, if the even were 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Remember, that's when a number ends with that, that makes the number even or odd. Doesn't matter the rest of the numbers in there. So 20 is not on the list. 21 will be. 22, no. 23, yes. 24, no. 25, yes. 26, no. 27, yep. 28, no. 29, yes. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. How many cups in 2 quarts? Let's see if we have our gallon written down here still. Oh my, it's not written on our new one. I'm going to fix that. All right, so I have our old math workbooks nearby. That's got our big gallon measure in here. Now, if you don't have that nearby, let's copy it real quick onto here. So right at the top of my page, I'm going to make a big one up here, unless I see a blank spot on the next page that's really big. No. All right, so I'm going to make a fairly large one right up top here, and that's going to be a big letter G. Okay, I have to write really small here. And inside the G, there are 4 Q's. Q, 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 Q. Inside each Q, capital letter P. Two of them. And the last one is, inside each of the P's, we have 2 little C's. And this is where it's going to get tricky. C, 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 C. I got to write really small. Whew, tiny, huh? But there's our little gallon measurer again. He's back now. So the question is, how many cups in 2 quarts? Well, 1 quart, 2 quart. So each quart's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cups in 2 quarts. Now I'm going to write 4,000 plus 600 plus 8 as a standard numeral. 4,000 plus 600. This is where they want to trick you. There's no tens, right? So I need to put a 0 there and then an 8. 4,608. Right under here, we have how many times will 6 go into 36 without going over? 6 can't go into 3, but it can go into 36 because 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 times 60 will be 360 because 6 times 6, 36. If I subtract and bring down the 0, 6 goes into 0 times, and there's going to be no remainder. So 60. 15 books on the shelf and 17 on another. How many books are there all together? That's an add question. usually, right? Sometimes it could be multiplied too, but add question. 5 and 7, 12, 1, 2, 3, 32. Sneak peek at tomorrow's. How many feet in 4 yards? Find out how many feet are in 1 yard, right? Here's a hint. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. Same thing we just did with the 6 and the 36. 7 goes into 56, and then put a 0 after it. Nice and clean. Adding money, subtracting money. How much is 24 tens? Almost like 24 times 10, right? Round this to the nearest hundred, 418 to the nearest hundred, so there's the 4. Look at the neighbor, see if it goes up to 5 or stays at 4. Finally, fill in the blank. Michael had blank tickets to sell. He sold 23 yesterday and 27 today. We'll talk about this one. My guess is we're going to add those two together, but we'll find out. See you tomorrow.